Hey there. Today's blog post is about the 5 ways technique. So it's about root cause analysis. So what is root cause analysis? It's a technique, a mental framework for discovering the underlying cause of a problem or something good, kind of figuring out cause and effect and really what's driving the behavior or whatever's going on. So the 5 ways is a technique that you can use to identify the problem and then ask why 5 times. Why did this happen? Well, this happened, and why? And so keep digging down, asking why, and then you implement a solution. So when can you use the 5 ways technique? You can use it pretty much anytime that you have a simple to moderately complex problem, or even when things are going well, kind of asking, well, why did that go well, and figuring out really what led to that outcome. So a simple 5 ways example is kind of, like this. So why are we receiving so many customer complaints in regards to our new software release? Well, the answer could be our customers don't understand the new interface. Well, why don't our customers understand the new interface? Well, it's a completely different interface than the previous one, and there's no training manuals or training materials. Why are there no training materials? Well, our product team hasn't had enough time to develop them yet. Well, why hasn't the product team been able to develop them yet? Well, they've been fixing various software bugs. So, why have they been fixing various software bugs? Well, because the product or the update was released before it was really ready. So that's the real problem that you have. Not, necessarily that you're getting a lot of complaints. It's because the software was released prematurely. So I hope that through using the 5 ways technique, you'll be able to kind of identify the root causes and be able to make your processes better and become more productive. Have a good one.